Is it the right time to make a move on Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 30, 2023, and now we're back to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analyses. It's essential not to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI's capabilities and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.94. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has gone through natural fluctuations, with a gain of 4.47%. This means that on average, it has returned 0.26% per day since being listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $192.56, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 5.49% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls between -5.20% and 6.94%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant 32.67% change over the next year, with a potential return between 20.11% and 49.91%. This means the price range could reach anywhere from $228.14 to $284.75 after a year. Our latest update on Apple reveals that the stock price increased by 0.306% on Thursday. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, November 30, 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a gain of 0.306%. It went up from $189.37 to $189.95. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 1.13%, starting from a low of $188.19 and reaching a high of $190.32. Over the past couple of weeks, there has been a 1.03% gain. The volume of shares traded on this day increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. Overall, there were 9 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 45 million shares bought and sold, valued at approximately $8.59 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Apple stock was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock price is 4.17% or $8.27 below the 52-week high, and 16.78% or $38.31 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when it reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank rated Apple as sector weight with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI rated Apple as outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple a rating of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating overall. Specifically, they rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals identified for Apple stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, while the long-term average suggests a buy signal. With the short-term average above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. As the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance around $190.20 from the short-term moving average. In case of a decline, the stock may find support near $181.05 from the long-term average. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the short-term development. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 0.783% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots show a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Let's talk about the support levels for Apple's stock. Currently, there is strong support just below today's level at $177.56 and $176.30. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Apple, the next support levels are at $177.56, followed by $176.30 and $175.01. Now, let's talk about the risk and movement of this stock. Apple has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $2.13 between its high and low, representing a 1.13% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.1%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This P/E ratio is within the normal range and is often seen in companies with a long history or stable revenue. Now, let's move on to the latest news. The next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts estimate the earnings to be $2.08 per share. These numbers can have a significant impact on the stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If we see an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $190.64. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own Apple shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L., sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris sold 4,806 shares of common stock. On October 15, 2023, Condo Chris bought 10,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.787. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,435,965 shares and sold 4,035,279 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $182.80, which represents a decrease of 3.76%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 7 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While Apple holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are enough to consider it a buy candidate. It would be best to hold or accumulate this position and await further development. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the last trading day and found that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, December 1st, we expect Apple to open down $0.463 and start trading at $189.49. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Today, we're going to discuss the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also interested to know your target for this stock. And if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.